Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change the payment method in your Google Play Store. This is useful if you want to switch cards, update billing details, or use a different Google account for purchases. On your mobile dashboard, all we need to do is open the Play Store. Just find the Play Store app. Once we are there, tap the small profile icon at the top. Then tap on Payment Methods and Subscriptions. Select that option. Here, we can see our payment methods. Just tap on Payment Methods. From here, we can choose which payment method we want to use. This could be a credit card, PayPal, Maya, or ShopeePay. These are the options available in our region. Next, select the payment method we want to use. Enter the required details like passwords and account numbers. This will update our payment method right away. This is how we manage and change our payment methods in the Google Play Store. It lets us control how we pay for app subscriptions and in-app purchases, and helps us update our payment details and set a new default payment method.